Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Check the La Marzocco machine firmware and the app version so they match. Once done, put your phone on the same Wi-Fi network the machine will use and turn on Bluetooth. Make sure the app has location and Bluetooth permissions. Without them, pairing won't begin. Now open the La Marzocco app and choose Add Machine. Follow on screen prompts to detect nearby devices. Don't skip permissions or network checks, or the app can't see the unit. You'll now complete the middle steps. When the app shows a detected machine, confirm its serial or nickname to avoid mixing units. Next, enter Wi-Fi credentials carefully and choose the 4 GHz band if available, because many machines don't support 5 GHz. Proceed to pair over Bluetooth, accept any pairing codes shown on both devices. Once paired, send the network and profile settings to the machine. This uploads schedules and brew parameters so the machine and app stay synced. You'll finish by verifying everything works. Test remote controls, check temperature telemetry, and run a manual brew from the app. If controls are unresponsive, restart both the machine and the app to clear temporary conflicts. Make sure the machine shows as online and has an IP address in the app. If problems persist, reset the machine's network settings, forget the device in your phone's Bluetooth list, and repair from scratch. This usually clears hidden pairing errors and restores full functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.